Before diving into how Linux participates in cloud computing, it's a good idea to define just what a cloud is and what type of resources it provides. The term cloud computing is related to distributed computing. This is where resources are shared between two or more servers to accomplish a task. Cloud computing has become popularized by companies like Amazon's Web Services. Thanks to cloud computing, computing resources can be delivered across the internet. You can purchase both hardware and software from cloud vendors. This includes servers, storage space, databases, network operating systems, and even individual applications. Cloud computing falls into three types. You have the public cloud, where a third party provides all the computing resources. The resources are usually shared between multiple organizations that also have access to the platform. You have a private cloud, which is where each individual organization builds its own cloud resources for internal usage. And then you have a hybrid cloud, where resources are provided internally but are also connected to a public cloud to help supplement resources when demand is higher than normal. For example, cloud resources can be customized depending on the needs of the customer. The three most popular resource levels are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In an infrastructure as a service cloud, the vendor provides server resources for hosting applications. Google Drive is a popular example of infrastructure as a service. All the physical components of a server are available, including memory and storage. Customers are responsible for any system admin work required for the operating system, as well as any application administration, while the cloud vendor is responsible for maintaining the physical infrastructure. In a platform as a service environment, the cloud vendor provides the physical infrastructure as well as the operating system to the customer. This allows the customer to focus mainly on developing the applications running within the platform as a service environment. In the platform as a service environment, the cloud vendor provides the physical infrastructure as well as the operating system to the customer. This allows the customer to focus mainly on developing the applications running within the platform as a service environment. In a software as a service environment, the cloud vendor provides a complete application environment to the customer. For example, a web server. Alright, review question time. Which cloud service utilizes only servers owned by a third party? Is it private, public, hybrid, type 2, or type 1? Pause if you need to and go back through the slides to find your answer. And the answer is public. Private servers are hosted internally. For hybrid, servers are hosted both internally and externally. Type 2 and Type 1 are type of hypervisors and not a cloud service. Time for question 2. Sally is interested in developing her application in the cloud without having to worry about administering an operating system. What type of cloud service should she buy? Platform as a service? Private cloud? Infrastructure as a service? Software as a service? Or hybrid cloud? Again, pause and look back through your notes if you need to. And the answer would be platform as a service, which will provide a complete development environment for Sally. A private cloud is a way to implement a cloud, not a cloud service. Infrastructure as a service only provides the hardware. Sally would be responsible for the operating system. Software as a service provides a complete application and won't allow Sally to develop her own application. And a hybrid cloud is a way to implement a cloud, not a cloud service. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you come again next time.